Merry Christmas, Aunt Brandon, Uncle Jay. The kids are about to open up their presents. Okay, open your presents.
Okay.
There's a card.
No, don't open the presents first. Merry Christmas. We miss you. Hope to see you again soon. Have a blessed Christmas. Love, Uncle Jay and Aunt Wanda. Luke chapter 1 and 2. Yes. Feel free to exchange the foot if it doesn't fit, or if you find something else you like better. Merry Christmas, Caleb. We hope you find a fun game. We love you.
What on earth? Why are you talking like that? Nine.
Oh my word! Oh my word!
What is it?
It's a gift card. Okay, let's see what.
The
Okay.
tears are coming.
Okay.
That is
Wow,
you,
okay.
Brian.
Oh, that's cool. Sean, hi. Ooh, I like the gray. Do you like it?
I do.
You do. Okay, what do you
Okay.
say?
Wait. He said. Don't look.
Whoa.
Don't look.
What? Okay, we're on to
He
Caleb.
said if it doesn't fit, go exchange it.
We're not gonna. You don't have to take your shirt off right now.
Okay, bye.
Merry Christmas,
We
Miss
miss you
and
and
Hope.
hope to
See
see you
soon.
soon. All
Love,
love you,
Uncle
Uncle
Jay
Jay
and
and
Aunt
and
Branda.
Linda.
Luke,
Luke
1 and
two.
what do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh,
Very.
oh my. Oh, how fun! Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Oh, fun! A reader system.
Isn't that nice?
Oh, how cool! What do you say?
Thank you.
Oh, you love books. Oh, look. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Let's zip it. Unzip it. Isn't that pretty?
That's
Do you see that, Mom?
No, that's
Unzip it.
adorable.
That's pretty. Can you unzip it? Let's go like this. Ooh, all kinds of girly stuff. Open it up. A mirror. That's beautiful. This is like a little purse. Nail polish. Oh, cute. Who is that on there? Is that Lala Loopsy? Oh, how adorable. It's like your
You
little
can do every nail a
purse.
different color.
Cute. I bet that's lip gloss. I
What's
bet
this?
that's lip
Wait.
gloss.
What's this? Fine.
Ooh, maybe that's
You
some
have to take it off.
candy.
No. It has a hole in the bottom. I guess it's like a pen or something.
Thank you. Okay. Wave to Aunt Brandon, Uncle Jay.